watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to our guide on refreshing boho summer decorating ideas from Casa Watkins Living. As we embrace the vibrant energy of the season, let's explore 10 creative ways to infuse your space with bohemian charm and a touch of summer magic. Creating a summer kitchen vignette. One delightful way to usher in summer is by crafting a kitchen vignette adorned with colorful fresh florals. Swap out spring's pastels for bold hues that evoke the spirit of the season. Whether on your dining table or countertop, vibrant flowers breathe life into your home. Bringing the outdoors inside. Embrace the allure of botanicals by adding more greenery to your indoor spaces. Not only do plants enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also purify the air, making them essential companions for a fresh summer ambience. Nooks and corners decor. Transform neglected nooks and corners into cozy retreats tailored to your family's needs. Whether it's a reading corner in the living room or a snug spot for evening relaxation, create spaces that blend comfort with functionality. Add plush cushions, soft throws, and ambient lighting for a welcoming atmosphere. DIY tassel placemats. Infuse your dining area with summery flair using DIY tassel placemats. These colorful accents instantly elevate your table setting, perfect for seasonal gatherings and everyday meals alike. Tassel pendant lamp. Update your interior decor with a statement piece like the center-lit pendant lamp. Its bohemian aesthetic complements various design styles, adding a touch of character to any room. Consider incorporating it into your kitchen or dining area for a refreshing change. Summer coffee table decor. Curate a summer-inspired vignette on your coffee table with coastal elements, seashells, or breezy fabrics. These small touches evoke a vacation-like ambience, ideal for leisurely mornings or casual gatherings with friends. DIY woven side table or a tassel woven basket wall hanging. Embrace natural textures like woven rattan or cane by crafting a DIY woven side table or a tassel woven basket wall hanging. These handmade accents bring a rustic, summery vibe to your space, enhancing its bohemian charm. Summer patio decor. Revamp your outdoor oasis with vibrant cushions and blankets featuring global patterns. Create a cozy atmosphere where you can relax and entertain guests amidst the beauty of nature. DIY painted Ultami coasters. Add a global touch to your entertaining essentials with DIY painted Ultami coasters. These intricate designs celebrate traditional craftsmanship while brightening your summer gatherings with a splash of color and culture. DIY wood-burned utensils with tribal pattern. Infuse your kitchen with tribal-inspired patterns by DIYing wood-burned utensils. These personalized accents not only showcase your creativity, but also bring a playful summer spirit to your culinary adventures. We hope these Boho summer decorating ideas inspired you to create a home that reflects the carefree spirit of the season. From vibrant florals to handmade accents, embrace the warmth and beauty of summer in every corner of your living space. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.